So in this video I'm going to show you how to center some text using HTML and CSS. So you see I have some text here, for example, and if I want to center it, I can add an attribute called align. So this is deprecated, but I'm going to show you anyway. So you say align equals to two quotations center, and as you notice it will center it. But now, for example, if we had 3 paragraphs, you'll notice that we are reusing the same attribute. So this is wrong, and as you notice it shows you red. It means that this attribute is no longer supported. So instead of saying align center, I can call it class center. Right, so you see if I change it to a class, it will be a class. So you see I have added the class, and you can name it anything you want, but you see it says class equals to center, and inside of the head I have used the style tag. So inside of style tag we are going to use dot center, alright, the name of the class, and then we are going to open 2 curly braces. So right here we can say, for example, text dash align colon center, and as you notice we are selecting those paragraphs by we have given it the class name, and we are selecting them using CSS. So this is a better way, and if you don't want a paragraph to be aligned center, you simply delete the attribute, alright, or the class name. So if I get rid of it, you'll notice that this one has gone to the left and other ones are still centered. So this is basically how you do it, everyone.